Hello and welcome to the Tech Nuggets YouTube channel. Today we're talking about the terms commonly used in the internet and their meanings. Here are a few terms that you will most likely encounter when browsing or surfing the pathways of the internet. These are my own way of explaining the meaning of the terms to make understanding of the meaning easier. Standard definitions can be found in the internet documentations. The following items are in no particular order. The first one is cookies. These are bits of data sent to a browser by the web server so that a session can be maintained between the web server and the client browser. They also contain personalized preferences of the current user. 404. This is a code returned by a website if the web page that was requested was not found on the web server. SEO, search engine optimization, a set of on-page and off-page enhancements or modifications to a website to make it more likely to land on the first page of a search engine results page. Front-end and back-end, a way of specifying whether the work or resources are to be developed and applied to the client side, that is on the web browser, or to the server side on the web server. SQL, or Structured Query Language. This is a method of creating databases using index tables that are related to one another using relationships among data themselves. Malware, a program that is designed to cause damage to a computer system and is most often used to obtain financial gain from the computer user. GSE, or Generative Search Experience, a search result page that contains direct answer to a search query together with links and other media for a more immersive search experience. This approach has been developed by Google. VPN, or Virtual Private Network, a mechanism for establishing secure connection between a device and a network or between networks to allow reliable and trouble-free transmission of data over the internet, which is an unsecure medium. Remote VPN is when a device connects securely to an external network, while site-to-site VPN is when two separate networks are connected securely. Ransomware is a malware that encrypts data on the victim's computer used for extracting money from the user in exchange for the decryption key. Payment demanded from computer user is usually in cryptocurrency. Artificial intelligence chatbot, an app that uses large language models to provide human-like responses and a variety of outputs from textual prompts. The app is usually developed by large technology companies and requires enormous amount of electric power at the back end. Shorts, a form of YouTube video that is created in a vertical format and must run for less or exactly 1 minute. AdSense, a way of earning money from advertisements on web pages and YouTube videos. It has been developed and operated by Google. MFA, or multi-factor authentication, the use of additional authentication methods to usernames and passwords such as biometrics and USB flash drives. Passkey, an alternative to using usernames and passwords using public and private key for logging in to apps and websites. It can be created using a password manager or biometric authentication tools. Cloud storage, a service offered by computer and smartphone manufacturers for the backup of user data and synchronization of data to other gadgets of the user. Social media, apps that enable users to post text messages, graphics, photos, and videos and provide for interactions regarding the post. Scroll and swipe, the act of moving the display on your gadget up and down or left and right. Blog, a web platform where I can post articles about a particular topic of interest. Vlog, a video blog created by posting of videos on a video channel on a video showing platform. Blogger, a blogging platform operated by Google. iCloud, the cloud storage facility for users of Apple products. Chromecast, a gadget sold by Google that can turn ordinary television into internet media player. Chromebook, a type of laptop computer using the Chrome operating system and features web-based applications. Smishing, using fake text messages to gather personal information for use in other nefarious activities. Social engineering, the use of deceptive practices to obtain essential information that can be used for fraudulent attacks. Google Workspace, a set of cloud-based apps offered by Google to business establishments. It includes apps like Mail, Contacts, Calendar, Storage, Whiteboard, and Voice. These are just a few of the internet terms that you may come across as you traverse the confusing paths of the internet. I hope that you have gained some knowledge regarding these terms from this little discussion. Thanks for your visit, and I hope to see you again soon.